Hello everyone, this is Siddhartha Kumar from Electrical Department. My roll number is 21EE10069. For my second DIY assignment, I have created a water level indicator of a tank. Here, I have used a 3-pin ultrasonic distance sensor which is connected to the Arduino board, and it is to be fitted in such a way that it is to be fitted on the lid of the tank in such a way that it faces downwards. The main principle here is that the ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the top surface of the water level in the tank and thus measuring the total distance the water has been filled in the tank. Furthermore, I have also used 5 LED lights which are used to depict the level of water. So for example, when the water level is below this point, none of the LEDs will glow, indicating that the tank has a low water level. And as soon as the water level rises above to cross this first LED marking, the first LED glows. It continues similarly that as the water level rises up each marking, the corresponding LED starts to glow. Here is a small simulation depicting the things that I have said. As you can see, when the water level is below the first LED marking, none of the LEDs are glowing. As soon as the water level rises above the first LED marking, we can see the first LED to glow. And similarly, when the water level rises above the second LED marking, we can see the second LED to be also glowing. And similarly, the other 5 LEDs will also glow. Here is the code block that I have used to create my water level indicator in TinkerCAD. I have first assigned a variable named distance to the reading of the ultrasonic distance sensor, which is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino board. These if-else statements are the code block logics that I have used to set up the glowing up of LEDs according to the water level. Further, I have used print output block to give us the exact value of the water level in the serial monitor, which can be seen here. These are the previous data values from the simulation I ran. Now we turn this code block into text code and then download it. After downloading the code file, I'll open it with the help of Arduino IDE and run the code to ensure that it compiles without any errors. As you can see, I have opened the file in Arduino IDE to ensure that it compiles without any error. Let's run the file now. It is compiling the sketch, as you can see. Let's wait for a few more seconds. And now it is saying it has done compiling without any errors. Thank you.